This is a plant sprayer and this is a fuel injector. You're probably wondering what they have in common. My name is Paul Rupp and I own New Concept Auto Service, and today I'm going to tell you about an often overlooked maintenance item called a fuel injection service. A fuel injection service is a two-step process. Step one is where we clean the fuel injectors. Now back to the plant sprayer. A plant sprayer in one position just squirts. You adjust a little bit, it gives a fine mist. A fuel injector is the same way. When they're brand new, they produce a fine mist. It's called atomizing the fuel. When you atomize the fuel, it burns better, everything's more efficient, it's just good for your engine. So what we do to clean the injectors, we hook this machine to your engine through special fittings. We hook directly to the fuel system on the engine. We disable the fuel pump in the car, and the engine literally runs off of this machine just like a heart bypass machine would do. It uses high pressure that pulsates along with special chemicals that we put in the machine. You have to use rubber gloves, you got to be careful with it. And it just gets all that varnish out of the injectors, allows them to spray nice and clean. Step two of the process is where we clean the air intake system. The air goes into the engine through the air filter, then through the throttle body, then through the intake manifold, past the fuel injectors, and then past the intake valves in the cylinder heads. Finally into the cylinder where nice combustion occurs. Well, an engine is just a big air pump. It breathes like we do. And it develops asthma over time. The carbon builds up inside all the parts that I just described. So what this device does is it hooks directly to the throttle body of the engine where the air goes in, and we use a different type of industrial chemical that sprays in while the engine is running, and it literally melts the carbon deposits off of most everything, allowing the engine to breathe better. So, a fuel injection service on most vehicles should be done approximately every 40,000 miles. You may find it'll start easier in the wintertime, you'll have a smoother idle, and then most importantly, better fuel economy. Remember, if you take care of your car, it'll take care of you. Thank you.